for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.